Video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. And again, I'm having some technical issues right now, so I just got back. I think everything should be okay. I'm like reopening everything I had going on here. I think I should be okay now. If you guys could do me a favor and give me a little bit of a sound check, that would be quite pleasant.
The sound check, baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yourself?
All right, I think we're good. I think we are good. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're okay. Why don't you like, subscribe?
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Okay. If you guys are saying I sound good, then I'm gonna take a sip of coffee right now. Freaking sheesh. Guys, crazy. I was like, oh my gosh, there's so much going on in the chat. I gotta make sure I go live right now. And then you know what? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Zest. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you guys are ready for the Zest, the news, the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share the stream out, friends. Take a sip of coffee. Oh boy. Guys, I'm sorry for the technical issues. I'm sorry. And thank you to Golden in the chat for 100 memberships to keep everybody happy while I was gone fixing my items. I appreciate you, Golden. I want to say good morning to everyone as you say good morning to me as you check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, which is Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then head over to Gemini, trade $100 in crypto, get $15 in Bitcoin. All right, who do we have in the chat? We got Bulldog Eric, we got Cheeks, all set. We have Keen Bean, Crimson, good morning on X over there. Tube and Jar, Alexandra G, my G. Robson, good morning. Black Hat is always chilling, bruh. He's got his Folgers brewed up this morning. Right, Rob C, Crypto Surfer, Sash, Brinko, Silver Days, nice to see you. We got, who else? Yukio's on X today. Welcome. KG, welcome. Destroyer 1911, hola to you. Sola Hefe, what's up? We have, of course, the one and only Golden. Let's see. David Bowles, good morning. Johnny Paycheck. We got Chris B from Canada. Nice to see you. Who else we got? X Vendetta says, good morning, Johnny Paycheck. He says, waiting on people to jump on that XRP bandwagon. Well, we're going to have a lot of XRP news today, right? Tim Taylor and Crypto Mind over there on X. Crimson is in the chat. Hello, Habibi. Habibi's amazing. Alex Kaimana, good morning. Oh, gosh. Friggin' Geo. Can't believe it. He made it today. He woke up early. He was like, you know what? I'm going to stop hitting the gym for 5 minutes, and I'm going to go on Randy's show and harass her. That's nice, Gio. Thank you for your time and dedication and your energy. In the moment, good morning. Nice to see ya. All right, guys, we're going to talk about stuff.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Isn't that so good? We're going to talk about stuff. Right, Manuel, biggest Ricky Ronell is here. Raymond, hello. Randy Backwards is here. I can't even start to pronounce that. My name is Randy, but it's backwards. Rotsen, good morning. Bidet, nice to see you. Welcome. I need my BTC. Nice to see you, my friend. All right. I can't. XRP is the only real crypto. Geo, please. Oh my gosh, No G's here. No G will tell everyone what they need to hear. He's so funny, right? Tim Taylor on X, you're amazing too. All right, guys, let's get after it. I'm gonna go over the market, recap a little bit of chartery, save your chart request for the end of the show. We have a lot of news to break down today. Now, we have a sea of red today as we did start off October with a little bit of downside. Guys, come on. This is typically what happens. Everyone's like, October, we're going to the moon. Calm down, friends and family. It's going to be all right. Just keep calm, hodl on. Stay zesty. As we take a gander at Bitcoin this morning, sitting at 61,385. We did hit the golden zone of around 60K. Again, look at our lines. Look at our freaking drawings on this chart. Bounced right off of it. Bounce. Like this. Hold on. I have a sound for this. Hold on. I love that sound. It's so funny. But that's that was our low for yesterday. As we did reject the 200-day SMA, so we really went from 64 to 60, really bouncing between our range here, very much exemplifying the importance of these two levels. Now, our bullish scenario, of course, is the 63.6 200-day SMA and the 64K, and we're just going to hope we stay above 60. We are up 1.1% already today, so again, hoping for the best. As the VWAP is flat and needs to make a move, is it going to go to the downside? Are we going to see some upside beginning? I sure hope so. Money flow is type flat right now as the momentum is being pulled down by that red dot like an anchor. We are around a neutral zone with the RSI as it did bounce off of a bearish level here. Still in bearish territory. Hopefully we'll go bullish and neutral. We have a lot of room to run for Bitcoin. We do. And again, we're still up 120% in the past year. Nothing to be complaining about, huh, Empire? Huh? Well, my friends, well. We do see that Bitcoin apparently is showing it's the worst way to start the bullish month, as we did see that there is an Israel-Iran tension that started happening, and there are missiles and things exploding in the sky and all these things that are horrible. And again, it's always the government, it's never the people. And I think that we need to somehow fix it and bring world peace. And I feel that, yeah, things are just getting very, very weird. And that's why I was tweeting yesterday, Bitcoin is war resistant. You're never going to have to worry about your money being devalued or taken away from you or anything of that sort when you have Bitcoin against something that's not aligned with any sort of government or centralized entity. Bitcoin ETFs also bled $242 million, and it's the biggest outflow since September 3rd, so about a month ago. So we saw the outflows of $242.6 million on Tuesday, and they're worse since September 3rd. This snapped an 8-day streak of inflows as Bitcoin lost as much as 6% amid an acute sharpening of tensions in the Middle East. ETFs also saw outflows around $48.5 million. And so we did see, because of this price movement, because Bitcoin went down $4,000 at a level that people should be watching anyway, it doesn't stop for the paper hands and the plebs that are on these charts that don't know what's going on and are taking them risks to get liquidated. The Bitcoin plunge caused a $450 million bullish crypto bet group. All those bets being liquidated. Futures tied to the major tokens saw over $450 million in long liquidations in the past 24 hours. And again, CoinGlass data that shows traders betting on higher prices lost over $122 million, while bets on ETH lost nearly $100 million. Smaller altcoins recorded over $85 million in liquidations, the highest figure since July, with Pepe an unusually high $10 million in liquidations. Ooh. Be careful, my friends, especially if you're using that leverage, especially if you're losing that leverage. I know Gio in the chat will be like, I told you guys to short the market. I told you. I'm sure he's going to jump in with that soon. Right, everyone in the chat. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I appreciate everybody that's here right now. I want to share love to every single one of you. Every single one of you guys. As we take a look at Ethereum, that's $2,453 today, 0.21% in the green. Again, bouncing between this really 2,100 and 2,370 are the two bearish levels you need to watch. Because again, if we fall through that, we're going to battle this 2,100. Though, hopefully we build up that momentum and it stops being a little bit of a wuss, and we could go to 2770, which is where the selling pressure really is. The 200-day SMA is starting to decline a little bit. We're at $3,100 there. Now we have the red dot that, again, is bringing our momentum quite towards that neutral. Now, the money flow is stagnant, man. We need to pick that up. Where are the bulls? Where are the bulls? And then the VWAP is down as well quite sharply. RSI, man, is bearish. Hopefully can go bullish and breach that neutral. That's what we're hoping for. And again, it really exemplifies to us that we have a lot of room to run with all of this. Again, the selling pressure, I don't really think there's a lot of selling pressure here, in my opinion. And I don't know who's selling right now. Again, $63 Litecoin today, 0.44% in the green. Really holding on to that $63. We want to hold support there. Your bullish scenario is the $75 level, and it's the 200-day SMA. We've been talking about it for quite a minute. Bearish level to watch is $43. We do not want that. Momentum looks the same. Money flow looks pretty good. And we see that we have the flat VWAP, so hopefully that picks up as well. RSI is bearish after taking quite a sharp downturn here, though I would like to hold where it is and try to breach that neutral again. Hopefully things will happen in a good way. Tony said from chapter 1, a lot of people don't talk about the support system they have and the community that helps them develop and maintain their persistence. Oh, that was me? I said that. Oh, thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you for sharing that. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. You guys are very sweet. I love the Give or Gain movement. Shout out to Billy. Shout out to the whole team, the Redmans, the Biomedics, all of y'all. Now, I don't know. I can't really say much about last night. I know everyone has been asking me and like, oh, Randy, what do you think of the banter that occurred last night? And I was like, the banter that occurred on the national televisions between people that may run this country. And so my opinion on that is just nothing, man. I got nothing to say. Because if you watched it, I got nothing, bro. I got nothing. Now, this face really got me. JD is so funny, bro. Like, he's looking at the camera like it's like The Office. Like, I saw so many memes out of here that were so entertaining. And then JD is like, and then you this tweet had me dying this morning. I audibly LOL'd. It was Doug Boneparth is actually really funny. Like, he's really good at tweeting. He's actually really good. And he said, when you feel your pocket and your phone's not there with this picture of Tim Walls. It's not that funny, but it is. Oh my gosh, that was so funny, dude. That was actually really funny. I got such a kick out of that meme. Like, when you feel your pocket and your phone's not there, like, that was so good. That was so good. Oh my gosh, I'm actually tearing from that because that was like such a good meme. Like, I usually don't comment on political memes, but I thought that was just absolutely hilarious. And it's not really political, it's just his face. Oh my gosh, I thought that was so funny. I got such a kick out of that. But yeah, so good memes that came out of that last night. Although we got to talk about serious things that aren't memes, which are the Goldman-backed Starling Bank that was hit with a $38.5 million fine for financial crime prevention failures. Oh boy, guys, we always have to keep up with trad news and all of these things. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to talk about the trad system really quick before we talk about Bitcoin and actually some delistings that are happening. And I think I would like your all's opinion on certain delistings and if certain things should be delisted from exchanges. Now, again, we're going to look at banks that are not reporting their stuff and also financial crime prevention failures, which are quite important and something that they come after crypto with quite a lot. So this is what we got going on. UK financial regulators hit British digital lender Starling Bank with a $38.5 million U.S. fine over failings related to its financial crime prevention systems. In a statement on Wednesday, London's Financial Conduct Authority said it had fined Starling for financial crime failings related to its financial sanction screening. They also repeatedly breached a requirement not to open accounts for high-risk customers. in response to the penalty, they said it was sorry. They were like, "I'm sorry, bro." It was like SBF. I'm sorry. Outlined by the regulator, and that it had completed detailed screenings and an in-depth back book review of customer accounts. And so the chairman of the bank said, "I would like to apologize for the failings outlined by the FCA and to provide reassurance that we have invested heavily into put things right, including strengthening our board governance and capabilities. They want to assure their customers are okay, and that they learned their lessons from this investigation, and that they're going to make some changes and all of those things." So I know we have a lot of people out here that are in the UK, people that are in that Euro area that may be affected by this bank. So make sure y'all take a gander at that. And if you're part of the bank, be careful. Again, because they are a potential IPO candidate, they didn't want to go public, this bank. So just be careful. And again, the banks, you have to audit the banks. We have to find a way to be better and more transparent with the banking system as we are in crypto, because every single transaction is on the blockchain with certain things. And things that may stir the pot are coins like Monero. And so we see that Kraken, which we use their chart all the time for Monero because they're one of the only ones that have Monero on here, on TradingView at least. Let me go to that chart again for Monero, because we do see that Kraken is actually set to delist Monero. So I want you guys to just take a gander at this article really quick while I get the chart. Beautiful. Okay. So Kraken is going to end its support for privacy token Monero in the European Economic Area, where we've seen global delistings of Monero on various exchanges. So Kraken is not the first, and it may not be the last. And honestly, is it one of the last exchanges to have Monero? Yes. They announced that it would stop trading in deposits for all Monero markets in the EEA from October 31st. This includes the trading pairs with US dollars, Euro, Bitcoin, and Tether's USDT. They cited regulatory compliance obligations as the reasons for discontinuing support. They said in a statement, quote, "After thorough consideration and exploration of all viable alternatives, we concluded that we have no choice but to delist Monero in the European Economic Area due to regulatory changes." While Kraken will not stop trading, While trading will stop trading in deposits for Monero, users have until December 31st to withdraw their tokens. If users do not withdraw their Monero by the deadline, they will convert them into Bitcoin, and the converted tokens will be distributed on January 6th of 2025. So do you guys support this? Do you guys support the delisting of privacy tokens? Do you think this is something that is maybe not aligned with our basic human rights? Again, we deserve privacy. Privacy is not only for criminals. However, Monero people view it as something that could potentially give us a huge gray area and treading that line between the good and evils. Do you guys believe that Monero should be delisted? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, or 2 or no emoji. Let me know. How do you guys feel about Monero? As I take a gander at the chart and I get your opinions. Monero is taking a dip today with the current news, and it is down 3.62% this morning. $139.80 at the moment, down 3.47%. Now, again, we battled that 200-day SMA, and we started to do but then we're seeing these delistings and falling below this critical level of $142. Your bullish levels to watch are passing that $150 200-day SMA and trying to target that 166, 165. Bearish level to watch now, if things take a turn for the worse with Monero, you're going to look at $105. And again, if you breach that $100 level, people will be a little bit scared, because it is a psychological level, and the $100 does quite mean a lot. Now, we have some money flow that is slightly green for Monero. It has taken a little bit of a hit, but it seems pretty stagnant at the moment considering the delistings. We're going to look at that VWAP that is starting to build up some momentum, as you would say, as we look at the momentum shooting downwards right now. Are we due for a green dot, or is it only going to get a little bit worse, again, considering the attack on Monero? We do see the RSI is severely oversold, so we don't see a lot of selling pressure. And even you look at the volume is not too significant here with Monero, and you want that to pick up if you want the coin to, of course, do something price-wise in either direction. So just make sure you guys are taking a look at that. Watch out for Monero and all the things happening there. All right, let's see. Guys, please make sure you're using your emojis in the chat. 100 of you just got emojis. Just got emojis. As we take a look at some ETF news, and we're going to talk about first Hashdex. That's filing an amended S1 for the NASDAQ Crypto Index US ETF. Now, Hashdex is big in Hong Kong, working with cryptocurrency and things related to that over there. So now they're trying to bring a crypto index ETF to the United States, putting it on the NASDAQ. Is Gary Gensler going to be upset about this?
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Perfect timing, Golden, with your fire Gary emojis. Put those fire emojis. Put those Gary emojis. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Asset manager Hashdex has submitted an amended registration filing for a proposed ETF designed as one-stop shop crypto portfolio, according to the regulatory filing. It indicates continued progress for the crypto index ETF with the US SEC after the agency asked for one or for more time to reach a decision on whether to authorize the fund for trading in August. The Hashdex NASDAQ Crypto Index US ETF will initially comprise Bitcoin and Ether, the only assets currently included in the NASDAQ Crypto US Index, but may eventually expand to include additional digital currencies according to the filing. People say this is the next big focus, and the next logical step is index ETFs because indices are efficient for investors. Just like how people buy the S&P 500 in an ETF, it will be the same for crypto. Franklin Templeton is seeking to launch a similar crypto index according to an August 16 filing, which I believe comprises of some other things like Bitcoin and ETH. They were also there was another person that had some meme coin index as well that people should watch out for. The total assets in US ETFs, according to this article, surpassed $10 trillion for the first time on September 27th. So, of course, we have a lot of money that's in crypto. We have a whole lot of money that's being put into these ETFs, especially by institutional investors. Now, we just have to see what impact this will have long term and if this really stays hot. Because I do believe in the future that people will realize what's going on with the ETFs and maybe seek to own Bitcoin and Ether themselves. That they are getting exposure through the ETFs. The only real exposure is if you buy from an exchange and put it in your wallet. That's the only real exposure you got with crypto, period. ETFs, I think, are just like a little blankie to make them feel warm and fuzzy in the institutional world. Now, it does lead you to question, and I see some people are already questioning it, if maybe they focus on Bitcoin and ETH, would XRP be really rolled into that? Now, it's a little bit of an interesting topic as we have some XRP news. XRP news, Ripple XRP. Get ready, everybody. Get ready. Get ready. Hold on. I have a sound for this. Hold up. Well, apparently, Bitwise filed for an XRP ETF. Oh boy, and as the news drops, another 50 memberships went with it. Shout out to Golden all the way over at Oktoberfest. Guys, make sure you guys accept this and pump it up. You got to pump it up. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. XRP ETF has been filed. It started with this tweet from Eleanor Terrett yesterday. She is such a queen. Shout out to Eleanor. She said, crypto asset manager Bitwise has filed in the state of Delaware for an XRP ETF. Details soon. She retweeted that, saying that Matt Hugin, the chief investment officer, you see him right here, confirmed that filing, and it is authentic. She then followed up with this article this morning about how, again, they filed for the first XRP ETF, which people did see coming, as well as Brad Garlinghouse. He did mention it. Well, Bitwise has submitted an initial registration statement to the SEC, signaling its launch to have that XRP ETF. Bitwise, which manages over $4.5 billion in assets, submitted a Form S-1 registration statement to the SEC on Wednesday morning, making it the first firm to officially seek approval for the so-called spot ETF that would track the daily price of XRP, the seventh largest cryptocurrency by market cap. The filing comes on the heels of their recent launches of spot Bitcoin and ETH ETFs and acquisition of ETC Group, the leading issuer of crypto ETPs in Europe. Despite this, there's no guarantee that it could pass the regulatory muster of Gary Gensler in the SEC. Some applications containing Solana, the number 5 cryptocurrency, was recently rescinded, with reports citing the SEC's confirmed status over the legal status, which is unconfirmed, and there are no concerns because we don't have any solid ground as to say what's a crypto asset security, as the SEC themselves said that they don't know what that even means, and they regret it. They weren't one of the issuers for the Solana ETF, and they said, Bitwise, they believe exposure to XRP will be good for clients. The Bitwise CEO told Fox Business XRP is one of the most enduring, well-known assets in the crypto space and is also recognized among mainstream investors. At Bitwise, we've always aimed to help investors with opportunities in the space, and we're excited to continue that work with our filing for a Bitwise XRP ETP. Now, this is humongous. There was another filing as well for an XRP ETF listed on the Delaware Corporation website from Canary Capital, a new crypto-focused investment firm established with Stephen McClurg, co-founder and former chief investment officer of Valkyrie Funds. The website shows XRP Canary ETF was incorporated on September 24th. There were no comments on the filing, but we do see that the approval process for S1s could be several months. And then we also have other filings that have to be made as well. But we do know the S1s are really the most important ones that need to be filed and approved. That's what we got so far. So the XRP ETF is filed for, could take months, and we'll see how that goes. Do you guys have any interest in an XRP ETF? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or 2 and a no emoji. Are you a fan of a XRP ETF? Is this bullish or bearish for the space? Let me know, let me know, let me know. We do see open interest for XRP is zooming to the $1 billion mark as Ripple is testing their stablecoin. So we have more. We have more news on XRP. More news on XRP. The RLUSD stablecoin is what they have going on here. So they do want to compete with Circle. They want to compete with Tether. And they feel as though they have a good shot in doing that, especially because Binance had their stablecoin wiped out by Gary Gensler. Take a look. Open interest in XRP tokens has zoomed in the past few days, with enthusiasm buoyed by tests of RLUSD, which again is going to be their stablecoin. And it's also probably because of this new news with the XRP ETF. Recent activities include minting significant amounts of the stablecoin, suggesting that the testing phase might be wrapping up or moving into a more active phase of development. This has created speculative buzz around RLUSD on platforms like X, with people monitoring the minting activities. Well, my friends, open interest refers to the total numbers of outstanding derivative contracts not settled for an asset. An increase in this OI, open interest, a price increase typically indicate new money is coming into the market. And on the other hand, if the price falls if the price rises but the OI falls, the rally might be driven by short covering rather than the new buying. And so basically we have a lot of interest going on here as the bets grew to over $1 billion over the weekend, a level last seen in March and June of last year. Crypto exchanges like Binance and Bybit account for almost half of the placed bets. Binance is a huge player. Binance is a major player with XRP and basically everything. They're a global player, which is why a lot of people want to wipe them out. It's quite simple. They're so powerful. They're so strong. They're so independent. They're so zesty. So shout out to Binance for bringing all that volume. If it wasn't for Binance, what would we have? What do we have? So shout out to Binance, shout out to all the people that are bullish right now, as we do see XRP price action is the same though. People are hoping that we do have some price action with XRP, as we do know that there is a certain amount that does get put onto the market, which could impact the price and try to stabilize it. XRP at the moment is 58 cents, down 2.44%. Bearish level to watch is the 200-day SMA and straight up the level of 54.5 cents. Bullish level to watch is your 64. We do see that the red dot is holding down this momentum, pulling it down. Money flow is slightly green, although the VWAP is very much in the wrong direction. RSI here went from tapping that overbought region, slamming down on us, and now bearish, but quite neutral. So you're going to hope that turns around just for the sake of your love for XRP. And also the news. You would think the news, and again, so much liquidity, so much love coming to XRP right now, especially because we do see someone, like I said, did have an XRP ETF filed. So it's not one, but two XRP ETFs that are filed. And so this could be viewed as a bullish thing for XRP investors and bring some legitimacy to it and bring Brad Garlinghouse some love. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the show. And welcome to the XRP news. XRP, XRP, XRP. Ronald goes, I don't need to see the chart. He already knows what price it is. It's all good. This is, we check the chart anyway. We check the chart anyway. Isn't that right? But again, we'll see what happens with XRP, and we'll see if the SEC gives it a little bit of a tiff. Although we've already gone through many legal proceedings with XRP, and they don't even know what they're doing. They don't even know. And the SEC might even appeal certain things related to the rulings about XRP being a security in certain types of situations. Let's see. Also speaking of the SEC, oh boy. Oh freaking boy. We have stuff related to FTX, which we know that Gary Gensler loved SBF.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Well, apparently, this guy, DIDDY, is hiring SBF's new lawyer. And apparently they share a cell, and they're also sharing a lawyer. Theater. Moving on. That's all I got to say about that. I had to throw it out there. Also, relating to all of this madness is Binance, where we know CZ just got out of jail. He's doing pretty swell. He can eat more than one piece of fruit a day. So yay, Binance. Yay, Sir CZ. Though we see more trouble with the jailed Binance executive Tigran that's stuck in Nigeria. Well, Yuki, the wife of Tigran, said the other day, I took kids to a nearby park and my son saw an airplane and said, is his papa on the airplane? But we also see, again, he's been detained for over 7 months, and then she's trying to keep things okay for her 2 children. So overall, we see that there's a representative that said that this is an obvious case of holding somebody hostage to punish a business they have a problem with, saying he's just being treated absolutely horribly and he is an American citizen and that should be taken very seriously by our government. America has a tremendous amount of leverage over the country. So again, this is something that's still happening. We're always going to cover it until it's over. But hopefully, again, we're rooting for Tigran. And we're rooting for his family. And I feel very bad about that. And hopefully we have more representatives that will try to free him. Crazy stuff, am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Let's see. I also have tokenization stuff. Tokenization, don't we love that? tokenization. We have more stablecoin news. So let's talk about that as well. Because we do have tokenization, they're saying is allowing for more efficient collateral transfers, according to the World Gold Council in a pilot project. So definitely an interesting topic here, as we do know that a lot of these central banks right now are buying a lot of gold. Gold is a huge thing for the banks. And again, they're not putting in treasuries. They're not going into bonds. They're still going into the crazy, crazy things. Crazy, crazy things. Real-world asset tokenization company Digital Assets said Tuesday it completed a pilot initiative to tokenize UK bonds, Euro bonds, and gold for financial transactions using the Canton Network Protocol. Major security settlement provider Euroclear, the World Gold Council, and global law firm Clifford Chance also participated in the process, along with other banks, investors, custodians, and central securities depository. Tokenization refers to the process of converting RWAs, such as bonds, real estate, commodities, into digital tokens on the blockchain. Now, in this case of the pilot, which ran between June and July, the project created digital representations of these bonds and gold to be used as collateral, greater transparency, faster transfers, and around-the-clock, near instantaneous settlements between parties without delays associated with trad financial rails. Now, be careful, because we do know that these could be CBDC related. They could be private blockchains, so you have to be cautious about these pilots. We will use a lot of tokenization in the future, but it has to be a way in which we own things, and we're in control of it, and everything's transparent to everybody, not just the people that control the system. Shout out to Gold and another 50 memberships. He wants everybody to be green. Guys, put a rocket emoji, put a rain emoji for all the memberships raining down. All the memberships raining down on us. Rain on me, rain, rain. Wow, that's crazy. You guys are beautiful. Thank you guys so much for your love. Thank you for your love. Thank you, Golden, for your love. Tether making waves too, trying to say some words out here, saying all the words. Tether's USDC, they say, has more use cases beyond crypto markets and trading, and this is according to their CEO, the Tether CEO, Paulo. Well, Tether's USDT may have started as a cryptocurrency, but today the largest stablecoin by market value is the most used digital dollar in the world, according to the CEO, Paulo, with Bullish CEO, Tim Farley. Now, Bullish is the owner of CoinDesk, and they do hold quite a significant amount of USDT, don't forget. Stablecoins, which we see, they say could form the backbone of crypto trading, and they say there's more to USDT than the crypto markets. In countries like Argentina and Turkey, the stablecoin provides a lifeline as an alternative to volatile national currencies. Before the widespread adoption of Tether, people in inflation-stricken countries had to resort to the black market to get dollars. He said USDT works much better outside the U.S. In the U.S., there are 15 different transport layers for the dollar. Banks, credit cards, debit cards, Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, many others. But who needs a dollar? That might help explain why it is the largest stablecoin, but it's the third largest stable currency, third largest cryptocurrency overall. Only Bitcoin and ETH are larger, and it's more than 3 times the size of the nearest rival, Circle's $35.6 billion USDC. So obviously, we see that USDT is playing a lot of roles. And I even was talking about this for a long time. The fact of the matter is that people need help in other countries. Places like Argentina that were facing triple-digit inflation. That's a big problem. People do not have value that they can keep. They do not have something they really own. And especially where they get paid one week and their money is not worth anything the next week. That's highly, highly, highly difficult to deal with. Now, you could also look at the fact that we have hyperdollarization that could be brought because of stable coins. Giving people access to money is important. And giving liquidity to markets is also important, which is what Tether does in USDC and a lot of other stable coins. So you have people in other countries that may not be able to transact again digitally, have access to money where they just download a wallet, they have internet connection, they could send and receive money like stable coins. And again, hold value, transact what they need to do. That's very important. And so when we're looking at the United States and how they want to hold back stable coins, especially USDT that is not based in the US, I think it poses a big risk to the US, period, as we're entering this digital age and people want access to a medium of exchange like the dollar. Very important, very important. Also, it's very important for crypto. I know, guys, YouTube is messing with us today. Sorry, guys, sorry. Sorry. I'm just gonna bring love anyway. I don't care what happens. I'll bring love anyway. Love, babe, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. We're also going to take a gander at Japan because the company in Japan, Metaplanet, they know that the yen is declining. They know that there's a macroeconomic mess in the world. And so they bought an additional $6.9 million in Bitcoin, bringing their total holdings to $32 million. Take a look, take a look. They announced that it purchased an additional 107.913 Bitcoin worth of around a billion yen, which is $6.9 million, as the company remains bullish on crypto, especially Bitcoin. They said that it made the latest purchase at an average price of $64K per Bitcoin. This brought its total holdings to 506.745 Bitcoin, worth around $32.2 million at the current price. Amazing, amazing. Good for them. Their stock traded 4.2% higher on Tuesday in Japan. So we know that Japan's whole economy is pretty messed up. And so the help of Bitcoin is certainly significant for a lot of companies. So shout out to Metaplanet for being smart and listening to the MicroStrategy way. Why am I singing classical music? Because I think I'm pretty educated on the music scene. Not really, though. I feel like I could be better, but I do know a lot of old songs. And when I was in, what was it, 5th grade? I think it was 5th grade. I was in chorus, guys. A little lore. I was this is so random. I was in chorus, and one of our shows was the Beatles. So I know the Beatles. Yeah. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the Beatles. All right, let's see. Let's go into some chart requests. I want to take some requests from you guys. If you have any, give them to me. And we'll get into it, my friends. We'll get into it. Don't bring up chorus. Sorry, it's already done. It's already done. I think Emma had to be in chorus in middle school for a little while. I had to be, but then I transferred out of that because I went to a different class. I went to the honors class. There were like 2 classes that were required in middle school to take chorus. So even if you didn't want to, if you were in that class, you had to. So when I first went to middle school, I changed out of it. And because I went from like mid-honors to honors, and so I got out of that, thank God. Because the teacher was nice. Like when you look back at it, she just was trying to do her job. But people gave her a lot of trouble. But yeah, Emma had chorus. I had chorus for a year, and then 5th grade, so 2 years of chorus, but 2 different schools. We all live in a yellow submarine. I love that song. Or Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Or, you know what? I love help. I need somebody help. Not just anybody help. You know I need someone. I love that song. Now we're going to look at Dogecoin. That's 10.5 cents right now. Critical level, critical level. Oh my God. Craziness. Guys, 10.5 cent Dogecoin. You want to conquer that. Stabilize. Hold it. Hold the door. If you guys know Game of Thrones, you know that line. We're looking at 12.25 cents right now as the bullish scenario with the 200 decimate, just below the 13.5 cents. That's what we need. That's what we want to feel warm and fluffy on the inside. Bearish level to watch is 9.5 cents as the red dot is weighing this momentum down like a darn anchor. Money flow is tight. VWAP is down quite sharply today with Dogecoin. Even though Dogecoin had a really nice run up, it is giving back its gains that we did see, breaching that 13 cents quite a few days ago. And now we're at 10.5, like we stated. We were overbought, which again, we were like, all right, is this going to keep going, or is that going to indicate the incoming downtrend? We saw the momentum slow down, the red dot was printed, so on and so forth. Brings us to the right now where we are in a bearish state, but not far away from neutral, and hopefully can make a nice bounce back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Andy.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you can buy your favorite XRP. Joking.
Yeah, that was funny. Andy S, you're so amazing, bro. You're so amazing. Andy S is great. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Sweet Caroline. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Chris B, hello. We have who else in the chat? Wifey and Sir Wick. Very excited about the XRP ETF, I see. No G wants all the vocals. I don't know, bruh. I don't know. Chris B played in a rock band for years and he loves to entertain on stage. Chris B, we need you to join Piano Maddie B. Hi, Cheeks. Hi. Double O is chilling. Everyone's chilling. Golden said you're doing the good work that needs to be done. Well, thank you, sir. Right, Ninja? Thank you, sir. Sola Hefe's chilling. John, hi. Let's see. What else? Who else we got? Verhoofty Floof. Verhoofty Floof. I love that name, Verhoofty Floof. Verhoofty Floof. All right. All right. Where? All right, guys. Please smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. I don't know how many likes we got. I didn't even look. Oh boy. Oh boy. Guys, we have 88 likes. Please smash the likes, please. Only 12 more until we hit that 100. Pump it up. Yeah, I don't know if I could do a full-out karaoke night. Like, I think I need, like, a cough drop or 5 before that. Right, Tom? Hi, Tom, GM, my friend. Randy over Celine Dion. I wouldn't go that far. That's a little dramatic. You guys are so funny. We have Cardano today that's falling below this level we were watching and trying to hold, which is 38 cents at the battle indeed. Bearish level to watch for Cardano is 24 cents. Bullish level to watch is 41. And looking at that 43 cents. 43 cents. I also saw a request for sweet. Right, Gary Littlemore? Sweet. Hold on. Sweet Caroline, boo boo doo. Word. Okay, got it. So sweet. Hold on. Oh boy, what's going on? Golden Squared is here. Oh
my God.
Another 50 freaking memberships. Golden, you're crazy. Thank you so much. Ratatata. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Thank you so much, Golden. I appreciate you very much. Thank you. And please, everyone, say in the chat, thank you to Golden. Say thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Golden Squared came in. Not just Golden, but Golden Squared. Maybe one day we'll see a Golden Cubed. Or we're gonna see what is it? What is the other one I saw in the chat? Frankie's new chair. That one was hilarious. Shout out to Frankie Candles, my paisan.
Bing bang.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Wow, Golden's on a roll today. Golden's on a roll. We love that for him. He's chilling at Oktoberfest. Where is Oktoberfest? Is that somewhere in the States?
Oh, baby.
Papa Yaz is in the chat. Welcome. Mark, hello. Nice to see you. File for an ETF, the price goes down. Listen. It's a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. And people are like, oh girl, baby girl. Don't even play. Don't even play. See, Gary Gensler got a little membership there. How nice, Gary. How nice. Guys, 6 more likes until we hit 100 likes. Come on. We can do it.
If you're some man, what the rock is cooking.
Oh, Golden's in Germany. Oh, wow. Binuendo, buenos dias, amigo. Michael, see you in the chat. Hello, welcome to the show. Welcome, everybody, you gorgeous, beautiful individuals. As we're looking at Bitcoin, that is now up 1%. bouncing off that golden zone of 60K, trying to make her way back to the 200-day SMA that lies at $63,655. Crazy. Crazy. You guys are wild. You guys are wild, gal and guys. Otto, hello. Miguel says, like number 95 is mine. Who's going to be like number 100? Hi, Amy. Hi. XLM, I saw someone requested, is 9 cents today, down 1%. Bearish level to watch is at 8.25. Bullish level to watch is at 10 cents. Psychological level, also where the 200-day SMA is. So very critical, very critical. Money flow is now slightly in the green. VWAP, like everything looks the same on every freaking coin. Where's the market moves? I cannot even. I'm looking at market stuff. I'm like, all right, well, it's a red dot, laying down the momentum, boopity doop. Like, come on, come on, right, Brad? Brad's like, this isn't real. Of course it's real. Of course it's real. Scoopity doo, boopity doo. Welcome, Sir Brad. Welcome. You know, I don't know, friends. I don't know. Things are going bananas in this life. Gio goes, I was 100. Are you now? Are you now? Do we actually have 100 likes? Oh, shoot, we do. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's get after it. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, I'm feeling pumped today. I feel like I drink a lot of coffee. I actually had to refill my coffee before I went live. I was like, holy shoot. I was like, Emma, like, we need to refill our coffees. And we refilled our coffees. Now, Emma got a huge mug from Market Cipher. I think I posted, hold on, let me get my Instagram. So this morning I posted my brekkie. Hold on. Where is it? Okay, right here. No, stop it. Stop the madness. Okay, hold on. So it's a quick little thing. So that was Jim. And then look, I have my egg sandwich and Market Cipher. And so this is Emma's mug. I cheated a little bit. I used Emma's mug because she made a beautiful iced coffee. And it's like a 20-ounce mug or something. It was like so ridiculous. Like, they was like, I'm releasing these mugs. I was like, dude, how big are the mugs? He goes like 20-something ounces. I was like, what? Face, you sicko. So he's got this humongous mug. Look at that. Look at the egg sandwich too. I love my egg sandwich. Like, do you guys like my egg sandwich? I don't think this was like good lighting for this. I think it could have been better. But like, also you see my hot sauce? I cannot do eggs without hot sauce. I'm telling you right now, if someone gives me eggs with no hot sauce to put on the side and dip, I'm gonna have a problem. A big problem. Big problem. Do you guys like hot sauce with your eggs? Put a 1 or yes emoji or 2 or no emoji. I would actually be very curious about the matter. Oh, hi, Curtis. Much love to you. Right, Stu. Yeah, I would like to know, do you guys like my egg sandwich? Put a 1 or yes emoji, 2 no emoji. Do you like hot sauce with your sandwich? I definitely need hot sauce. That's beautiful. Beautiful. So I did a little cheese situation. A fried egg today. Some ham, more cheese on top. The key to your sandwiches, okay? Key to your sandwiches. I'm going to give it to you right now. It doesn't matter if it's an egg sandwich. Doesn't matter if it's a sandwich. Any sandwich that involves cheese. You have to. Law of the land. And I may be wrong. Maybe there's a professional sandwich maker in the chat that's going to correct me. However, I believe that you got to have the bread, a slice of cheese, your in-betweens, and cheese could be in the in-betweens, and you know. But the bottom line is that each piece of bread on the top and the bottom must have cheese connected to the bread. And I feel like it definitely changes the game. 100% changes the game. If you have cheese that's directly on the bread, you taste that, and then you get the rest. And so I definitely agree. Cheese on the top, cheese on the bottom. It has to be that way. Has to. Hot dog sandwich? Hot dog sandwich. I see that's a big debate on Twitter. I don't know if it is. So I used to like Tabasco. I still do. Don't get me wrong. But what's the name of this one that's in my video? Hold on. Oh, I don't know the name of this one. I don't know the name of this one. So I love it though. I love it. That hot sauce is the best. I don't know which one it is. Some Louisiana something. I don't know. I'll bring it on the show one of these days. Dude, this hot sauce changed the game for me. I love cheese. I'm bad. I love cheese. I love dairy. I love carbs. I eat everything that I shouldn't eat. And you know what? That's bad. But I do try once in a while. Like yesterday, I had a salad in a bowl. And then I also had a salad wrap because I was so hungry yesterday. I was going crazy with my food. And so I ate a lot of salad yesterday. So I definitely did a lot. I ate some good food yesterday. It wasn't too bad. But I should work on eating better. But I love my bad food. It's just like everything that's good is bad for you. Like, it's so stupid. But what I do love too, let me also say, my smoothies. I love my smoothies. Smoothies are fire. You get your berries, you get your bananas, your pineapples. Woo! And then you know what the key? Hold on, I'll put you on to something else. The key to a good smoothie is fresh squeezed orange juice. Now, there's a supermarket near me, and there's also one in New York that I went in the morning, early morning, you got to go to the mart. You get your fresh squeezed orange juice. You go into you go into your home. You put all your stuff in all your fruit teas in there. No milk, no yogurt, no other juice. Fresh squeezed orange juice. Pour it on in there. It will change your life. It changes the game. Oh darn! It changes the game. So that was like my little food education rant. I definitely absolutely love my smoothies. I have been working out a lot. No is correct. I have been working out. I absolutely love working out. Going to the gym, oh my gosh, is amazing. I've been hitting the gym. My arms are actually really sore today. I did day 2 of arms, you know. I love going to the gym. Shout out to the gym. If you guys aren't going to the gym, it doesn't have to be crazy. Like, you could just go for 20 minutes or go on a little treadmill, do a little walk, whatever. But yeah, I definitely agree that you should go to the gym. Do some sort of exercise. Touch your toes. If that's what makes you happy, touch your toes. But go outside and definitely go to the gym. So I love it. I love the gym. 80% of it is diet. Wouldn't you know, Gio? Gio's actually, you know what? Maybe he would because he's actually in the gym all the time. Gio, how do you feel? He says 80% is diet. Yeah. Maybe that's correct. I mean, I'm so bad. I mean, I work out so I can eat a lot. Even though that's not the way it should be. It's not. Alexandra G gave a $5 super chat. Said keeping up with those little things. You know what, Alexandra G? You might be upset with me, but I do not own those anymore. Those I left in New York. We gave them to somebody in our building. So I don't have those weights anymore. But if I'm in the gym, maybe I should have a GIF. That I put up when those come up. I can't like I would have to manually do it, but I think I should create a GIF of some sort because I do have dude, in this gym, I have options. So yeah, I'm definitely working really hard. My arms are mad sore. I love the gym. Nothing more, nothing less. And I think if you guys go for a good month or 2, then you would see progress and you would want to keep going. And I think the initial few weeks is what's annoying because you're like, I'm not doing anything, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, you should definitely go. Oh yeah, Emma's eyes, oh my God. We took Emma to the eye doctor yesterday. Guys, Emma's going to get glasses. Shout out to Emma's glasses. She's getting them. So we went to the eye doctor yesterday, and Emma's eyes were dilated, and she still went to the gym with me. So funny. I'm like, Emma, she was it wasn't that bad, but she was wearing sunglasses in there because it's so bright. It was hilarious. I was dying laughing. But yeah, Emma's getting some glasses. Shout out to Emma's glasses. Emma's gonna see soon. She didn't realize how bad it was. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's definitely not great. And so, yeah, Emma's definitely gonna get them glasses. She's gonna see. Oh my gosh, Emma's gonna see the world. That's so amazing. Yeah, she could see her food better. Absolutely. But thank you guys so much and dealing with me today. My little weird rants that I went on today. Thank you guys so much. Golden loves glasses. That's so funny. No, you guys are so great. I absolutely love this chat. It's so hard for me to leave, but it's so great listening to you guys and just conversating. Rob C, a member for 9 months, said, keep up the great work, Randy. Like and subscribe. Aww. Listen to Rob C and Piano Maddie B.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Guys, thank you so much for all your love, all your time, all your dedication. Emma says she's scared of glasses. Don't be scared. You're not going to look like a pleb. Emma, you're not going to look like a pleb.
How dare you?
No. Emma's glasses, like the ones we picked out for her, no, they're fire. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for everything. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you haven't yet, please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. And we're going to get after it. We're going to have a beautiful day. And again, I appreciate every single one of you. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.
Hucksters, fraudsters,
Freaking Carrie, come on.
scam
Just because
artists,
Emma's expecting glasses doesn't mean it's a
Ponzi
security.
schemes.